I should also state that this is a hefty light. It does weigh quite a bit. It's a bit of a beast, but it's bright as all heck. Let me show you what I mean. So let's give you an idea. It's about 188 meters to that fence back there. And this reaches it and no problem. I'm probably blinding some of those houses over there, and I am so sorry. It is such a stupidly bright light.
The Wuben X1 Pro is one of those flashlights that immediately stands out because of its shape. Instead of a traditional tube design, it uses a compact rectangular body that's built around performance and portability. This can produce up to 12,000 lumens of throw light up to 303 meters and includes several brightness levels for different situations. One of its most impressive specs is a sustained 3000 lumen mode that can run for roughly 1.7 hours. To make that possible, Wuben built waterproof cooling fans directly into the flashlight to help control heat during extended use. The light charges through USB-C. It reaches a full charge in about 2 hours and comes with a holster, charging cable, and carry lanyard inside the box. Now before we get into it, let me give you a quick overview of what it has here. So you're looking at a very hefty light. You can see that it's quite large, it's rectangular in shape, and it has, well, it's just meaty. Looking here at the emitters, this here is your throw, and it is a Cree XHP 50.3 HI, and this here is your floodlight, and that is 4 Cree XHP 50.3 HD emitters. Now it will combine the two of them together to create up to 12,300 lumens, but for example, this dedicated spotlight, that's what pushes the distance, and then these dedicated floodlights is what pushes the bulk of the lumens. This can push out 8,650 lumens. Now to switch between them, you have this switch here in the front. Over here on the left, we're going to have a spotlight. In the middle, we're going to have a combination of both. And on the right, we're going to have the floods light. This right here is the removable yet waterproof fan, so that can come out. Up here, we have the USB-C charging port right there. Make sure that when you close that, it closes nice and tight. This here is your power button. Whew. Quick thermal test of the X1 Pro, if I can get this stupid charger plug back in. Okay, you can't really see it there, but here it is. That is actually, I believe, going for the 3000, or is that the turbo? Ooh, that's the turbo. Let's see what it gets. Might take a second. You can see it right there where it says hot. It's starting to really get up there. According to this, it's currently, she's hard to say because it's so white, 47. The fan just kicked in. Yeah, I think they said 49.7. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that gets pretty warm. So that's turbo mode. Okay, that's the temperature on the Wuben X1 Pro. Over here we have the battery eject, so you can see it has a lock and an unlock feature. So that there is unlocked, and to eject it, you press that, and it's going to push out these two 21700 batteries, which are absolutely nuts. Very satisfying clicking sound. And what makes it really cool is this here lanyard also doubles as the USB-C charging cable. It also ships with this, which is its belt clip. Okay, let's get this thing outside. Look at the size of this beast. You are in for a bit of a surprise tonight because this thing is a monster. It's the standard, well, gee, I wouldn't say anything about Wuben as standard, but Wuben has created a whole new look of flashlights. This here, for example, is the X4, and you can see the size difference with the X1 Pro. It does have a lock feature, which is 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it goes. So let's go through the settings kind of quick here. So we'll start with the top one. Press and hold. Works out well. Press and hold again. Once I find the power button. Okay. Low, medium, high, highest. Boy, that is a nice light. We'll flip the switch. Actually, you can see a bit of a cone on it. Go into the middle, so now we have both. That's low, medium, high, highest. Oh, that lights this up so nice. Next switch. Now we're just in flood mode. Low, medium, high, highest. Once again, that's low. Now, if I go into the middle, right here, so both LEDs are on, and double click, I believe that is 5,000 lumens. I'll have to double check the manual. It could be 3,000, but I believe it's 5,000. And I don't know how long it'll hold it for. But to be honest, it's so bright that I can't see beyond the netting here, like the baseball cages. So when I turn it on, like on low, I can see into the baseball area. But when you double click it, the glare from the actual baseball diamond itself tends to blind you, like because the reflection coming back from it. So in this situation right here where I am, it's not exactly ideal. But man, that is a beautiful light. That Wuben X1 Pro, is it the Pro? Yeah, Wuben X1 Pro. It's got some oomph. It's got some juice, if you know what I mean. I can't hear the fan. Let me see if I can hear the fan on it. There it goes. Hear the fan? That's the fan making that noise. Whew, you can feel that heat. Yeah, that'll warm you up. Oh, and now I'm completely blind, by the way. There's a cat right there on our fence, and I'm using the Wuben X1 Pro right there to startle the shit out of it, apparently. You say, kitty cat. I'm so sorry, princess. Anyway, this light is stupidly bright. Now, one thing I do like about the Wuben X1 Pro is that it does ship with this belt clip here. Mind you, it makes it quite bulky, so keep that in mind. When you add the cable to it, like the lanyard with the USB-C charging cable, and you add the belt clip here, it becomes a very hefty tool. But I tell you, that is a very nice belt clip. Now, this also feels quite sturdy. I'm not about to drop it on concrete. I would just not feel good doing that, though I'm sure it would survive with minor dings. Obviously, dropping it on grass, not a problem, if I can find it. Favorite ways of testing a flashlight. This here is my camping poop bucket, in case you must know. This here is the Wuben X1 Pro. So that's its first setting. And let's hit the turbo for a minute. Hopefully we won't melt this. And that's how you create a camping light, by the way, in case you're ever looking for something to light up a campground. Works pretty well, providing it doesn't melt it, because it might melt that. Ooh. The Wuben X1 Pro is a working flashlight. It's built for people who need serious output and a light that can really punch through the night. Now, this isn't the kind of flashlight you're going to toss in a drawer for emergencies and forget about.
it's a light that you'll actually want to use, whether it's for work, outdoor adventures, or just everyday tasks. Now, it's not the cheapest flashlight out there, but you do get what you pay for. So Wuben has built a reputation for making quality products, and the X1 Pro feels like a flashlight that's built to last. That said, I have a few Wuben flashlights, and they've all been absolutely bulletproof. Now, if you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave links in the description below. Wuben did send this to me for free in exchange for a fair and honest review. And as always, all opinions are my own. I also earn a commission if you purchase through the links below. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more flashlight reviews, check out the playlist on the screen up here. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Good girl.